Xinlei is a world-class compressor manufacturer with a history of 12 years. We produce about 1,000 styles of leading products with full range from 1 HP to 350 HP in 2 series, piston-type compressor and screw compressor. Our products are exported to most of countries and regions in the world. Xinlei has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001 certification. Most of export products have passed CE, GS, RoHS, REACH, ETL, and BSCI certifications through authoritative institutions. With a floor area of 119,940 square meters and factory area of 59,793 square meters, Xinlei has more than 1,000 employees. We built a provincial enterprise technical center and have the ability of manufacturing 1.5 million compressors of various types. Company vision to lead air power revolution in order to create green power, to promote the technological innovation in the field of air compressor. Company purposes to build company in good faith and create value for society, to earn profits for shareholders and seek happiness for employees. Core values: never stop thinking, never stop practicing. Quality and credibility of the brand bears responsibility for carrying.